Do you believe? Do you believe? Do you believe? Masipana this year ubano sugar mise party angizana bafana bafana njengalo Benny McCarthy uslip ushine shake umzimba phule neparty baba njengempama mayikoma eslati never you not fit even if we is scotty cause I'm tight like the girls marrying you king him swati anyway you busy umbizeli bad cause you know ventilation is the future cuz and I spend me ecstasy mara stimulus nippers something big like the late great Brenda Buzz and call us dingo klupega masbuya ekas nyakolana Seliboni izandle moyeni lapho masivumela Mawufisela ukuhle nami ngeke ngikufisele inhlanhla Ngoba ngiyakhola nami ngeke nginivalele ngaphandle Bazala ngicela izandle moyeni Kasi to kasi nalithembele If you believe let me hear you say Ngiyakhola na Bambi Candela, aka it's my solo. Squad Camp Guy One is an Estabanisa my solos. Mapumi Quali Sensi Squash and Jingle Olos. Salpaga the Kekes and Singing Jung on Lolo. AKA after Mofokati Jono. Maspaga Studio, aka La Chisi Bato. Ingo Machisa yo, Intali Malachisa yo. AKA Spuna Lake Gata O. In the meantime, when I Udla Ubtanga O. Tennessee do wish a bit to fuck shout. Do you believe like oh mama best some doubt? Nyakolana Seliboni izandle moyeni lapho masivumela Mawufisela ukuhle nami ngeke ngikufisele inhlanhla Ngoba ngiyakhola nami ngeke nginivalele ngaphandle Bazala ngicela izandle moyeni Kasi to kasi nalithembele If you believe, let me hear you say Nyakolana
Kisobeswa bakhuluma bangithathela phansi Sosiyeswe izinkulumo zigcwele nezinhlanhla Ngoba ngiyakholwa phezulu ngiyabona Ushayele ngoma
Nendlela inzima njengofesto zama ukuslima boy Mangiloku ngizama I will always be a winner boy Kulo mhlaba kuyashesha so nawe gijima boy Gijima sis, sigijima sonke Seliboni izandle moyeni lapho masivumela Mawufisela ukuhle nami ngeke ngikufisele inhlanhla Ngoba ngiyakhola nami ngeke nginivalele ngaphandle Bazala ngicela izandle moyeni Kasi to kasi nalithembele If you believe let me hear you say Nyakolana
Kasi nalithembele If you believe to me you believe If you believe to me you believe Basala ngicela izandle moyeni Kasi to kasi nalithembele If you believe let me hear you say Nyakolana
sefe siyama bonasi shilika asinawo lije shilika sivale marimba shilika sihlale sibasantana sohamba ngosefe 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 sohamba ngosefe.
Ziba, Bruno, e Alô!
Sanibonani, you're listening to Uzinhle Wagwampele on your favorite radio station, Extension Point FM, live and beyond Mzansi. Sanibonani, you're listening to Uzinhle Wagwampele, uhlelweni lami oluthi vuka uzibheke. Vuka uzibheke on your favorite radio station, Extension Point FM, live and beyond Mzansi.
Nigelele Mzansi kuhlanhlwa mfoka W Session Point FM, the Session Point FM but live and beyond Mzansi. Alright. Give me Mzansi Session Point FM kuhlanhlwa mfoka Dlamini. Madoda kwaziwa intokozo ukuba nani lapha futhi la shaya mntana sekhaya lo hour le mntana sekhaya lokuthi mina nawe siphinde futhi sibe ndawonye khona la ku Session Point FM. Ngiphinde ngibongela kakhulu lapha koza bethathe beyibambile lapha mntana sekhaya. Ngibonge kakhulu mntana sekhaya nango producer wethu abenza lento mntana sekhaya ayibe ngalendlela ayiyona mntana sekhaya kanti uhlelo uyalazi nawe uthi WFC Food for Thought mntana sekhaya. Esizohlala nawe nje mntana sekhaya nje kuze kushaya lapha naphana ihora lesingaki lesithupha entambama mntana sekhaya. Ngibonge kakhulu mntana sekhaya. Ngibonge mntana wesekhaya ngithathe lethuba ukuthi ngibonge kwawena lapho umlaleli ekhaya nawe mbukele ekhaya ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi uthathe lethuba ube kanye nathi mntana sekhaya sithi nje ngaphandle kwakho mntana sekhaya kumele wazi ukuthi thina we are nothing mntana sekhaya ngoba thina kuphela wena thina ubajabulile phela thina wena ujabulani wena phela thina wena umthokozisi ulethe isimali ebusweni wethu mntana sekhaya. Sibonga kakhulu mntana sekhaya my producer unjani kodwa mfowethu. I hope right lapho baba. Right baba. Awu nazo-ke mfethu sithi right kuzimalanga. Right mntana sekhaya ke nje mntana sekhaya into engizoyenza lapha mntana sekhaya ngizongigijima lapha engomeni yothi kuqala nje singena ngayo ohlelweni sithi kuyifaka nje singene kuyifafa vuma mntana sekhaya then emfaka lapha mntana sekhaya bese singena kuyona ke phela mntana sekhaya ukuthi nginazisa ukuthi ngempela uhlelo namhlanje lungani lo mayelana nani mntana sekhaya my producer uDedele baba ubaphumlile wathela umlilo mntana sekhaya. Oh madoda
Clothes off my back and I let you'd steal the food right out my mouth and I'd watch you eat it. I still don't know why I love you so much. Oh, you curse my name in spite to put me to shame. Have my laundry in the streets, dirty or clean. Give it up for fame, but I still don't know why I love it so much. Yeah. And baby, it's amazing I'm in this space with you. I just can't crack your code. One day you're screaming you love me loud, the next day you're so cold. One day you're here, one day you're there, one day you care, you're so unfair. Sipping from your cup till it runneth over. Holy grail.
Blue told me remind you niggas. Fuck that shit y'all talking about. I'm the nigga. Caught up in all these lights and cameras. But look what that shit did to Hammer. God damn it, I like it. Bright lights is enticing. But look what it did to Tyson. All that money in one night. 30 mil for one fight. As soon as all that money blows, all opinions take flight. Fuck the fame, keep cheating on me. What I do, I took her back. Fool me twice, that's my bad. I can even blame her for that. Enough to make me want to murder. Mama, please just get my bail. I know nobody to blame. Kurt Cobain did it to myself.
And we all just entertainers. And we're stupid and contagious. No, we all just entertainers.
And baby, it's amazing I'm in this space with you. I just can't crack your code. One day you're screaming you love me loud. The next day you're so cold. One day you're here, one day you're there. One day you care, you're so unfair. Sipping from your cup till it runneth over. Holy
Now
grail.
I got tattoos on my body, psycho bitches in my lobby. I got haters in the paper photo shoots with paparazzi. Can't even take my daughter for a walk. See him by the corner store. I feel like I'm calling it off. Enough is enough, I'm calling it off. Who the fuck I'm kidding though? I'm getting high, sitting low, slide by in that big body. Curtains all in my window. This fame hurt, but this chain works. I think back, you act the same person. If this is all you had to deal with, nigga, deal with this shit. This ain't work, this light work. Camera snapping, my eyes hurt. Niggas dying back where I was birthed. Fuck your iris and the IRS. Get the hell up your high horse. You got the shit that niggas die for. Try yours. Why you mad? Take the good with the bad and throw the baby out with that bad for it. You still alive. Still that nigga, you survive. Still getting bigger, nigga, living a lot. Vanilla wafers in the villa, illest nigga alive. Michael Jackson's Thriller.
And baby, it's amazing I'm in this space with you. I just can't crack your code. One day you're screaming you love me loud. The next day you're so cold. One day you're here, one day you're there. One day you care, you're so unfair. Sipping from your cup till it runneth over. Holy grail. You get the air out my lungs whenever you need it. And you take the blade right out my heart just so you can watch me bleed it. I still don't know why I love you so much. Yeah. And you play this game in spite to drive me insane. I got it tattooed on my sleeve forever in ink with guess whose name. But I still don't know why I love it so much. Yeah. And baby, it's amazing I'm in this space with you. I just can't crack your code. One day you're screaming you love me loud. The next day you're so cold. One day you're here, one day you're there. One day you care, you're so unfair.
Alright, Nkosi yami. That was Holy Grail, Justin Timberlake featuring Jay-Z. Nkosi yami. Oh my God, oh my Lord. Awuyazi shows babnandi kanti lesimangaliso madoda masingena ngeno nelimnandi kangaka. Elengoma ngithanda kakhulu, ngidlale over and over and over. Anyway, mntana sekhaya sibonge kakhulu lo mntana sekhaya. Justin Timberlake featuring laphana uJay-Z, but Holy Grail. Mntana sekhaya no destination mntana sekhaya uthi uhlelo WFT Food for Thought. Uqathu for Dlamini la KD, the status of one with Ushani and the possible show once and forever baby. And then xolisa on behalf of uzakwethu laphana uzakwethu umntaka Malinga, but hopefully by next week sizobe sina Nkosi yami. Ngizoyibamba ke mntana sekhaya ngedwa njengale ndlela eyona mntana sekhaya. Asibonge kakhulu mntana sekhaya. Kanti mntana sekhaya nje namhlanje sinehloko laphana esizobe sikhuluma laphana ngesihloko sibheka kakhulu lapha kuma relationships mntana sekhaya yabona. Sibheka nje izinto ezihlukahlukene lapha kuma relationships yabona. Sibheka okuhle, sibheka okubi. but nje at the end of the day it's all about your relationship. Something esekhaya kumele uyenze nje wena sondela lapha ngempela eduze komsakazo wakho osondela lapha phela eduze kwefoni yakho ngoba ngiyazi isikhathi esiningi nisibheke emafonini nisibheka kuma laptop ivuleke laptop mntana esekhaya uvakashela ipage lapha ku Facebook lithi TEE Production uzofica usifike uzosifica lapha mntana esekhaya si extension point FM uzomfica la KD na ku WFT Food for Thought from 3 to 6 ntambama mntana esekhaya awu madoda akwazi kwamnandi weekend ngiyathemba ukuthi mnandi mntana esekhaya mina yami mnandi izolo bekumnandi namhlanje kumnandi before ngifika e-studio and mangisuka le studio futhi ngisayophinde futhi kube mnandi mntana esekhaya awu madoda akwazi kwamnandi ngakwazi intokozo ukuba nawe emlaleli kwazi kwayintokozo ukuba nawe umbukeli njengoba sengishilo mntana esekhaya ukuthi sizoke sithi ukubheka lapha kuma relationships ukuthi kahle kahle mntana esekhaya yizini lezi zinto lezi kumele sizibheke ukuze i relationship isebenze yaziphi futhi lezi zinto ezenzakalayo usubona ama relationships nje amanye igcina engasabi nempumelelo so mntana esekhaya nje wena ngwalenza iphutha mntana esekhaya yeka yonke into oyenzayo nje manje mntana esekhaya ngiyazi ukuthi uhlelo ngilona uhlelo olidinga ukuthi ufuna ukuba serious kakhulu especially 3 to 6 afternoon drive wonke umuntu ufuna ukujabula ayi no ungasabi mntana esekhaya hlala nami wena umculo ukhona lana mntana esekhaya yabona nje ngamanje nje mntana esekhaya zokudedelela nje ulandela mntana esekhaya omnandi ngalendlela isimangaliso yangithola yabo ngifuna uzithole wena ujabulele ku WFT Food for Thought yebo.
Sways in parabola motion, right on time with the latest club incantation. We live for the weekend, working up the courage. We pray away, pray away, pray away the pain of not being in alignment with our dreams. Bet your life go on
somewhere inside my childhood when it's my heart died. And even though we both came from the same places, the money and the fame made us all change places. How could it be through the misery that came to pass? The hard times make a true friend afraid to ask for currency, but you can run to me when you need, and I never leave, honestly. Someone to believe in, as you can see, it's a small thing to a truth. What could I do? Real homies help you get through. And coming new, he do the same thing if he could. Cause in the hood, true homies make you feel good. And half the times we be acting up, call the cops, bringing a cease to the peace that was on my block. It never stops when my mama asks me, will I change? I tell her, yeah, but it's clear I'll always be the same until the end of time.
Take these broken wings, I need your hands to come and heal me once again,
until the end of time.
Till the end of time. Take these broken
Please Lord forgive me for my life of sin. My heart still seem to scare all my sister's kids. So you know I don't hang around the house much. This all night money making got me out of touch. Shit, ain't flashed a smile in a long while. An unexpected birth, worse of the ghetto childs. My attitude got me walking solo, ride all alone in my Lolo, watching the whole world move in slow-mo. But quiet times disappear, listen to the ocean. Smoking ports, think my thoughts, then it's back to coasting. Who can I trust in this cold world? My phony homie had a baby by my old girl, but I ain't tripping, I'm a player, I ain't sweating him. Our sexy sister had a mummy like a Mexican. This Mexican, no remorse, it was meant to happen. Besides rapping, only thing I did good was rapping until the end of time.
these broken wings, I need your hands to come and heal me once again,
until the end of time.
Till the end of time. Take these broken wings, you got to learn to fly and learn to live so free,
until the end of time.
Till the end of time. Take these broken
Now who's to say if I was right or wrong? To live my life as an outlaw all along. Remain strong in this planet full of player haters. They conversate but death row full of demonstrators. And in the end drinking Hennessy made all my enemies envy me. So cold when I flow, eliminating easily. Fall to their knees, they plead for their right to bleed, while begging me to keep the peace. What I conceive, closer to achieve. In times of danger, don't freeze, time to be a G. Follow my lead, I supply everything you need. An ounce of game in the training to make a G. Remember me as an outcast outlaw. Another album out, that's what I'm about. More, getting raw till the day I see my casket buried as a G, while the whole world remembers me until the end of time.
These broken wings, I need your hands to come and heal me once again,
until the end of time.
Till the end of time. Take these broken wings, you got to learn to fly and learn to live so free,
until the end of time.
Till the end of time.
I ain't gonna
Till the
stop
end
now.
of
I don't know what it is that got me acting all crazy out here. Guess it's just my environment, how you people be treating. Until the end of time. Shit, you acting wild. Ain't no mystery. You get what you give. Feel me? Become like that. I can't tell you what.
Alright, sengibonge kakhulu lapha mntanasekhaya bathi Tupac Shakur Olumaru Shakur till the end of time. And before that we heard ingoma laphana ka Prince KB featuring uMaski bathi Fetch Your Life. Right, mntanasekhaya nje isikhathi lapha siqopha ngempela mntanasekhaya emzuzu nje yamashumi amabili nanye lishayile laphana ihora lesithathu ntambama uhlelo WFC Food for Thought. Umuntu ohlele nayo lapha mntanasekhaya uNhlanhla Mfokadlamini, umuntu nje bandla Nkosi yami, umuntu nje. Yabo umuntu nje ungazi ucabanga uzolezwi leli ngaka, cha umuntu nje umuntwana yabo ngishoyo. Right, mntanasekhaya ngibonge kakhulu laphana, ngibonge kakhulu mntanasekhaya. Njengoba kade ngishilo mntanasekhaya ukuthi laphana sinamhlanje ngifisa sikhulume laphana ngodaba laphana sibheke laphana ama relationships. Ngoba uma uthi uyabheka kahle kahle isikhathi samanje ziningi ingqinamba ezikhona kuma relationships, angazi noma ingenxa yesikhathi sesiphila kuso. And for the same time yes akhona lawo are right, but in most cases ama relationships anezinkinga. Lokho akumele sikufihle mntanasekhaya. into engayinothisa mina enye engibona ukuthi futhi mhlambe idala ukuthi kube nale inkinga kanje ile. Uyabona kahle kahle asisaphili impilo yokuthi thina sabantu abamnyama ngokugcwele ngokubona kwami. Sesi-adopte kakhulu ezinye impilo yezinye inhlanga in terms of nje i-lifestyle kuze affecteke nazo ke lezi zinto lezi zama relationships yabona ngishoyo. Of which indlela yethu thina abantu abamnyama nendlela yezinye inhlanga yokwenza kuma relationships ayifani. Yabo kodwa manje ngendlela ngoba manje sa-adopta indlela amanye ama race enza ngayo noma ezinye inhlanga ezenza ngayo. Kugcina manje sekuba nalento ke manje yokushayisana yabo into engishoyo. Yabo ukushela nje indlela esishela ngayo before ayisafani indlela esishela ngayo manje. Yabo it's like manje siqhube indlela yabantu bezizwe sayihlanganisa nendlela thina esenza ngayo. Egcina ngosuku uthola manje seniyangena ku relationship nomuntu kunezinto eningakhonanga ukuthi nizifunde niziqonde ngomunye nomunye. Ngani? Ngoba anipracticeanga indlela yokungena ku relationship yomuntu omnyama. Eyizwa le ndaba awuthi ngiyiphinde. Ugcina sekuba nezingqinamba uma seseku relationship ngoba nina thina i relationship yethu sesiyenze ya-adopta izinhlanga zezizwe sayihlanganisa nale yesizwe sethu sabantu abamnyama. Okugcina mase sesithola sesingena ku relationship kukhona izinto esingasange sayiqonda yabo ukuthi kumele sizenze kanjani ihanjiswa kanjani i relationship. Sikhuluma nje izintombi zisagroom manje ukuthi zikhuliswe yabo ukuthi uyintombi up until a certain stage uphatha kanje uma sothana nomuntu uziphatha kanje. Even nabo abantu besilisa abasakhuliswa asenalo lolwazi lolu abantu abaphambili ekade benalo. Ingakho ke mothi uyabheka lesikhathi samanje ngisho ama divorce esemaningi kanjeni. Yazi ama divorce maningi okudlula umshado and ebhlungu lento sizwe sakithi yabo ukuthi ama divorce yabo izolo lokhu besijabula kushadwa kumnandi kunjeya and namhlanje abantu sebehlukene yabo into ngisho sekukuphi in no time yabo uhlungu. Why? Ingoba manje singena kuma relationship singazange sipractice ngendlela eyiyona futhi singazange singene ngemgomo eyiyona. Ngiyazi ukuthi awukho umgomo obhalwe phansi wama relationship, but then who said ukuthi nena angeke uzukwazi ukufundiswa ukuthi relationship iphathwa kanjani iba into kanjani? Ayikho into engafundwa abantu asekhaya yabo. So umntana esekhaya nje and ke amanye akhona amahle yabo lapho umntana esekhaya nje ngiyafisa wena ungitshele umntana esekhaya ukuthi eyakhe relationship mhlawumbe wena injani umntana esekhaya uthokozile emnandi mawuthi ayikho mnandi mhlawumbe yiziphi ingqinamba obhekana nazo umntana esekhaya. And ke futhi umntana esekhaya sokunikeza link umntana esekhaya lapha ngizobe ngishare link nawe ngane wethu ubone lapha sesithola la ku YouTube. Kodwa okwamanje nje uzovakashela lapha ukuthi i-production uzofika ufice yonke into lapha umntana esekhaya ibekiwe la Extension Point FM uhlelo WFT Food for Thought. Uphawule umntana esekhaya ngifisa ukuze ukuphawula kwakho ngama relationships ukuthi uma ubheka ama relationships amanje kanjani ayindlela eyiyona noma abukeka mhlawumbe ephumile ephume esandleni. Ngoba mina mangithi ngiyakhumbula kahle manje sekhona ama relationship aqala ngokuthi umngani wami ngoba uzwana nomngani yabo indoda bayathandana kodwa abazange bona baze bafike ekutheni bashelane ngoba naku umngani bezwana nomngani nabo ke sebebona ukuthi okuse hayi sekungenzeka ku relationship kodwa bona laba abanye bashelanile yabo into ngishoyo. Ezinye zezinto lezi zinto nasekhaya izenza ukuthi manje igcina relationship yenu isiyinkinga nje yabo. Uyabona enye into engibukayo ukuthi mina sesiyenzeka la kakhulu azile angikhulume nje la eNingizimu Afrika nje sesikholelwa kakhulu othandweni lefoni yabo ukuthi mina kumele ngihlangane nawe ku WhatsApp kumele ngihlangane nawe ku Facebook sangena ku inbox siyahlangana kwenza senza yonke lento le. Egcina ngosuku umuntu uyabheka baningi abantu abamisleader nayo lapho yabo baningi abantu abama fake lapho. Uzungene ku relationship uzicommit kuyona nomuntu kanti umuntu kunezi fake idea yobuyena yabo into engishoyo. So nje angazi ukwenzakalani umntana esekhaya and angazi ukuthi futhi emva kwalokho ukuthi lento izolungiswa yini kodwa umntana esekhaya ake sophuza amanzi umntana esekhaya sengikhulume kakhulu ngaze ngikhulume ngeqamagula ake sophuza amanzi.